my lord. You make peace around.
Well, it's a joy, my brother. So how we are going to move forward from here, sir?
Well, it is. I have to ask you this thing. Can you see after we go on? I just want to know if you live on the street and on your path.
Can't blame me if you're asking, my brother. It's just some desperation in it. You did ever go on with my baby mother?
No, the war could send me condolences. But you know, I say, things have changed after me. But that's it. Yeah, we are there, a big man level. We didn't set back the community. Because the warrior kind of tear the whole of people. So right now, we need to cut out the money thing.
Me overs that in a jail. But me only that deal with that still trying to cut me out of the way thing, you know. Completely, you see me?
I tell you this, brother. We never really cut you out of the weed game. Basically, they move off key. I don't know if I can trust you, brother. You see me, I do.
Brother, I never want to rise against something. A desperation make it reach this. To bury my baby mother, and I did have a youth to me have a raise. You get me, I say? That's why I even did have to rise against godmother, my brother.
Now for yourself now, brother. Food out there for everybody. Have some new thing that come up now. Need all the youth them to walk straight and narrow path. And see if you don't do that, please this a go. Loves and be a man to be a wireless. So here we are do. King him done have a deal. Now why you jump on that? Come here a thing I did, you know. Now them bridging from up north. Godmother give me the link towards him. I might be knowing him already still, but in time, the more you deal with, more you give Godmother a link. And make all them meet. You see me, I did bad man.
May I go look on the wedding dress?
You get that dress?
Yeah, Carlton did get one of them link them and things like yeah. Carlton.
Oh, Carlton get you dress. No, I understand that.
But done late already in a Gladstone, so is either we talk about this and I come back, cause me I leave out now.
John, no. I like it. I don't think that woman they want to see me still in a church.
I mean bad, brother. It maker. They don't know how thing level up, you know. Gonna peace, can't rain dog. If you not link with God, man. Think of me, man.
Boy, that look like it's going to take a miracle in a stone. You know godmother rule.
Well, it is. How would we kind of go through it yesterday? She kind of put me to the side, seeing me. Just through one like church, brother. I'm not really feel the vibes, you know, of the brother this day, but you see me? That, you don't know a thing. So here we are doing now. I put things to play right now. What do you think?
Well, bro, a piece me I did. You see me? So you don't know. I give her a link still.
Make sure you do the right thing.
You hear that?